Hi everyone, I'm Ferd and welcome to my video. About a year ago I worked on this welder. It's a Miller Trailblazer. It's got an old Onan 2-cylinder in it. And the repair that I did was the valve. Keepers come out, the spring popped off, the valve was stuck open. It was fixed. It's been running fine ever since. Now it's blowing smoke. When you first start it, big old puff of blue-white smoke comes out the exhaust. Runs for a little bit, dies. Big puff of smoke out the exhaust. Right off the bat, what I found was while it was running, there was oil dripping from the bottom of the air breather. Took the air breather apart, looked at it, it's flooded with oil. I'll show you that here in a minute. What would cause something like that? 3 things. Bad rings, a clogged up air filter, too much oil in the crankcase. Let's go over there and find out which one of these 3 problems it may be. Enjoy the video. Now when I started and ran it, I noticed oil dripping from the air breather over here in this corner. So there's oil getting through the ventilator down there and it's loading it into the engine through the carburetor. Okay, here's the old air breather. It is soaked with oil, so it's trashed, and I've got to replace that. That could have been a possibility if it had a lot of grass and debris that clogged this thing up. But this was a new air filter. So I'm eliminating that. I'm eliminating my tube. I'm going to go to the other 2 things that it could possibly be, would be the rings or overfilled with oil. Before I tear into it, to see if the rings are bad, doing the compression test and everything, let's check the oil. And I'm going to stick it down in there and pull it out. And I want you to take a look at this. Right here is how much oil is in it. Here's the tip to the tip of my thumb, and right here is the full mark. This thing has way too much oil in it. I'm gonna drain some of this oil out, fix it, go make me some money. I was hoping to have to rebuild this thing, I really was. I was looking to tear it apart and putting a new set of rings in it, but that kind of eliminates that problem. Let's get that oil out of it and fix it. To fix the faulty overfill oil problem, we'll find out where we drain the oil at, which is right here. And we're gonna loosen that cap up. And I'm gonna drain some oil into this cup. This holds a quart. I'm gonna go ahead and fill the quart cup up and then just refill it from there if I don't have to take any more out of it. That looks good there. Okay, let's check it. We'll see how much I need to put back. Okay, I still got to take some more out of it. I'm still right here between the 2 L's on full. Got to come down to here. So let me get a little more out of this thing. It's looking like it's a whole quart somebody's dumped in there. All right, let's see what we got. We're just 1 smidget below the full mark. This is how much extra oil that it had in it. Okay, we're going to start this thing up and run it for a while and see if it fixed it. Main focus is I'm going to see if there's oil coming up out of that thing. once it warms up, it should idle down. It's not idling down, but it's running okay. There's no more smoke. And I need to get a multimeter and test it and see why this isn't working. I see a burnt wire over here. Easy fix turned into something else. Come over here and started tapping on that, and it idled down. Didn't have my camera on, of course, so I'm thinking this is bad. Get him a new one, put that on there. We'll order one of these, put this thing back together, and I'm gonna send it back home. If you made it this far in the video, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got some good information out of it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button on the way out. Got a lot of videos up there. I got a lot more coming. This was the second of 2 Miller welders that I worked on that day. Both of them, believe it or not, were real easy fixes. Hit that notification bell, get notified as soon as I put that other one up there. You'll love it. Stay safe in the shop, wear all your safety gear, have well ventilation when you're running engines in there, and have fun. Thanks for watching.